Out there, we're back. A little quick video here, no fancy intro. We're getting right into it here. Here's how I'm going to look at earnings this time around here. We got January 30th earnings call. I'm on the Tasty Trade mobile platform right now. This little watch list feature can tell you, the volume and the implied volatility and things and all that, just kind of with a couple swipes. So I like this little watch list they have here. So on the 30th here, you see on the right here, the little arrow caret thing to the right means after the bell, to the left means before the bell. So you see GM was this morning, before market open. AMD, Google, and Microsoft are all after the bell today. Those stocks are pretty high up there. Market's back at all-time highs. I'm going to play an observer role here. I'm not going to even attempt to make a position on these. Who knows what the earnings call is going to be and what they say. What I would do is, if nothing happens, sure, implied volatility is going to crush a little bit across the board on the tech and the Magnificent Seven stocks. But what I'm looking for is, if any of these or all of them just kind of shoot aggressively up or down, that means the likelihood, then these will move in sympathy with it. Apple, Amazon, and Meta are all tomorrow, February 1st. I'm sorry, in 2 days, February 1st. So that'll give me a day and a half to kind of prepare for those maybe and watch and see what Google, Microsoft, and AMD say and do in the market, what the company says and how the market reacts, and see how they go. And then if say they shoot up pretty high, like aggressively high, and hold it for the next, that's why a 2-day gap is probably nice. See if they hold it all day tomorrow into the February 1st opening bell. If they're holding it, then the odds of Apple, Amazon, or Meta, they'll probably move in sympathy with those if they shoot up high or low, either way, vice versa. I'm going to put a little credit spread to bet that they won't go even higher. So if Google comes out and crushes it, or Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, or Apple are probably going to move a little bit in that same direction. But man, the fact that they would go again and go outside of standard deviation on top of that is pretty low. So I'm going to play it to that side. Just one-sided credit spread, not both sides. I'm not going to make an iron condor because they could snap back. I'm just going to go bet against the move, that they would move in that same direction again, even more, and pass my strikes. So watch out for another video coming up for me. I'll probably lay something like that down. We'll see how Google, Amazon, and Microsoft report today.